Okay, hi everyone. Now we're going to talk about how to do this one curve. Okay, TV cabinet curve. So at first you click on B selection, then delete those board panel, leave the back panel only, then go to point to edit panel. Okay, then you go to import CAD. Okay, at first you must draw the CAD curve the curve shape. Okay, something like this. Okay, then you just move no need move also can. Okay, no need move Okay, after you draw the curve shape, then you just delete this board. Okay, now you can see we have the curve. Okay, then just change the thickness only. Okay, then you will see something like that. Okay, thanks for watching.